This Remax of Hot Springs Village property video is presented by Alyssa Need. Lovely lot in 26,000-acre gated community. Enjoy the beauty and tranquility of Hot Springs Village. Lots to do with 11 lakes, 9 golf courses, tennis, fitness center, indoor and outdoor pools, pickleball, hiking trails, dog parks, bocce ball, lawn bowling, archery, and so much more. You can enjoy dining overlooking beautiful 944-acre Balboa, spend the day at the white sand beach, take the kids to one of multiple playgrounds, or just sit back and enjoy nature's beauty. 20 minutes to historic Hot Springs and less than an hour to Little Rock Airport. The village has numerous social clubs, churches, restaurants, 2 marinas and events throughout the year. For more